Hi guys, Tom here, America's favorite hoarder. It's Tuesday night, and I thought I would do a video. I found this in the front lobby, if you want to call it a lobby, of the apartment complex this morning. Not quite sure what it is. Magic the Gathering, Arena of the Planeswalkers, a tactical board game. It seemed to be $40, and somebody tried to sell it or something for $5 and couldn't get $5 out of it. But I thought it was kind of cool. From my recollection, Magic the Gathering was a card game, and I do have some cards from way back when. So, I don't really know what this stuff is. I don't follow it. I don't play it. Like I said, I have the cards from way back when. There are a lot of pieces. I don't know what they're supposed to be. But I figured I would take a look, because I remembered some of the cards were worth some money. So I will have to look at this in detail later on. I guess it's not brand new. If it was brand new, it wouldn't come with a hefty bag full of dice. But here are the cards that are inside. Let's see, this one is a Sky Reaping, whatever that is. It's a lot of cards. I'm not going to go through every one. Naturalize. Chandra's Outrage. But I thought they were pretty cool way back in the day. I'm not sure what this game consists of. It seems to be like something you put on a tabletop, and you make your little army on these pieces. They fit together like puzzle pieces, I guess. And then you play your game with the cards. So, not sure, but I let it sit down there. Actually, I saw it a couple days ago. I let it sit down there for a couple days, see if anybody else wanted to take it. And it was gone. And then it came back. So I guess whoever picked it up the first time said, it's not for me, and brought it back. And that's fine, because I may find use for it. Like I said, it's in the original box. It was marked down from something to $39.99, and then with the $5 sticker on it, or a $5 sticker on it. So, also, well, like I always say, you can never have enough microwaves. And my other microwave in the kitchen seemed to stop working. It works, but only tentatively. I tried jiggling parts and plugging it in, unplugging it, plugging it in. So I think this one might be dead. That's alright. I had it for a year. And I replaced the one I had for 4 years. So I keep finding microwaves. And, oh, there she is. Say hello, Ellie. Yes, that's Ellie. So I'm going to see if this microwave works. Let's clean it up. And replace the other one in the kitchen. So, another reason to collect microwaves. You never know when you might need a second or third one. Uh-oh. Tonight's video brought to you by O'Fallon. They make some good beers. I went to the store a little while ago, and they had this variety pack. An assortment of cookie beers. Shoo. Ellie, cats don't like cookies. So I thought I would try these. We have O'Fallon Dad's Original Oatmeal Stout. That sounds good. They're all O'Fallon. This one is a vanilla wafer cream ale. That also sounds good. This one, a chocolate cream cookie stout. And this one Ooh, a creamy peanut butter ale. I used to like the peanut butter porters when I was able to get them. Uh-oh. I wonder if I have a leak. Terrible. So there's 4 of each kind. I think. Yeah, 4 of each kind. So I have a glass. I have my bottle opener. And I have my third hand. Actually, my 2 feet. We will try the O'Fallon Dad's Oatmeal Cookie Stout first. Place bottle firmly in feet. Squeeze and pop. Smells rather nasty, actually. And I usually don't drink out of a pint glass. This pint glass is from Blind Tiger Brewery and Restaurant in Topeka, Kansas. Yes, more things I collect. But you shall see. This is supposed to be a stout. And yes, I know I'm pouring it wrong, but I only have one hand. So let this do its thing. Can you hear it? It's talking. Beer brewed for every meal. Brewed. I wonder if that's true. O'Fallon makes a couple good beers. I cannot deny that. We love beer. O'Fallon Brewery. Well, they're not the only one who loves beer. As long as it's a good beer, not a crappy beer. Like, shall I say, White Claw? It's not even a beer. Bud Light Seltzers? Not a beer. Here goes. Not much of a head. For a stout, that's not good. Looks more like a Coke or Pepsi. Well, I don't know. Oatmeal stout. I can taste the oatmeal. I can taste the stout. I can also taste some other stuff, which I don't know what it is. Tastes like they mixed the. Tastes like they mixed the Guinness with the Coca-Cola. Threw an oatmeal raisin cookie in it. It looks like a Coca-Cola. There's no head. A little bit of fizz, carbonation. I might have a hard time getting through this 12-pack if they're all like this. But like I said, I wanted to check in. I found a cool game in the hallway. Good fingerprint on it. No wet fingerprints on the Magic of the Gathering. And I have to play with the microwave to see if I can get that new one to work. Well, not new one. A new used one. People moved out and they left the microwave down there, so I didn't need 2 at the time. But now I do need 1. And one I have doesn't work. So the second one I have will be the one that works, hopefully. But like I said, I wanted to check in. Keep finding things. Have to keep bringing them home. You never know when you might need 12 beers. Well, not 12 beers, but a microwave. That's all for now. Keep hoarding. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.